Lumex strip light controller, assembly and pairing. These are the parts required to assemble the controller. First, we've got the controller, remote, wiring harness, strip light, and a Meanwell 24 volt 320 watt power supply. With the Meanwell power supply and the wiring harness, the positive and negative tips are too long on both of them, so we just need to trim those down. So grab a pair of side cutters and just trim about 3 or 4 millimeters off, and on this one it's about 2 millimeters off. To wire the power supply into the controller, first undo the cable gland, then insert the power supply lead into that hole, and the terminal strip, they've got to go positive and negative like that. Then tighten them down with a screwdriver. Make sure they're tight. Then tighten the cable gland. To connect the wiring harness to the controller, again, undo the cable gland, slide your harness in the hole, then you might need a screwdriver just to lever the wires up a little bit, like that. Then when the wires are through, grab the terminal block. The brown goes into the red on the terminal strip. Like that. Tighten it down with a screwdriver. And the blue goes into the black of the terminal strip. Tighten it down with a screwdriver. Then retighten the cable gland. This is what the completed wiring should look like. To test and pair the remote, first you need to plug into your light strip into the control cable, then turn the unit on. When you first turn it on, you'll hear 3 beeps, like that. Now it's ready for pairing. Now if I press any of the buttons now on the remote, nothing happens. So what we need to do is pair the remote. So on the remote, you've got 6 channels. So your first channel is generally for your motor control, and any free channel after that is for controlling the lights. So in this case, the motor's on channel 1, and we're going to change this to channel 2. So press the increase button twice. Then on the controller, there's 3 buttons inside: black, yellow, red. So we need to press and hold the yellow button twice, hold on the second press. 1, 2, hold, then press the button on the remote. Now that's paired. So now you can turn it on. It turns on the strip lights. Press it again, turns it off. Press and hold will dim the LED strip. Press it again, turn it off. Turn it on, and it goes back to full brightness. There is another method of pairing the remote to the controller to give you more functionality, where this top button becomes your dimmer, the top 2 buttons become your dimmer, and the last button becomes your on-off. So to put it into that mode, what you need to do is press the yellow button 5 times and hold on the 5th time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, so it starts beeping, then press the button on the remote. Now, you can turn it off, turn it on, goes full brightness, then you can reduce the brightness by the middle button, increase the brightness by the top button, and turn off. or you can turn on just with the plus button and it will turn back on at the minimum brightness. So that's the unit now tested and paired. So now you just need to put the lid back on the controller. And that's assembly complete. To reset the controller back to factory default, like deleting the remote, turn the unit on. Once the cover's taken off, inside there's the three buttons, black, yellow, red. Press the black button twice and hold on the second press. Press and hold for 10 seconds until it stops beeping. So it's a long. Now that's been reset. If you press the button on the remote, nothing happens. So the controller's now been factory set.